Hey, what's up, fellas? That's Mechanic Mode. Again, this 2021 BMW X7. So I'm going to do the engine oil change, and also I'm going to do the engine oil filter too. So I already drained the oil from the engine, but I'm going to show you how you have to drain, where is the plug, how you change the oil filter, and how you put the oil back. So let's go. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to show you where is the engine oil drain plug. It's right here. So as you see, this is the front tires, right? Okay, this is the car. So you get under the engine and the plug is right here. Here is the starter and here is the plug, and there's the transmission. So remember, not this one, this is the front transfer case, this one is the engine. So quickly, you take the cover out, you need to. Here is the funnel already put it. I put a quart in. This is the engine oil, so you put there. Here is the cap. It shows you the engine oil. It's right here. But to find the engine oil filter, you have to go all the way behind the engine, so it's on the left side, driver's side. Here is the 32 millimeters socket, and here is the oil filter. I don't know if you can see it. It's right. Let me get it closer. It's right there. It's right here. You see? Yeah. So we are going to put the socket back here. After I got a big ratchet with a short extension. Here we go. So we untied the oil filter. So here is the engine oil filter. Looks blacky to me. Also on the cap it shows how much of Newton meters you have to give it to the cap to tighten it up back. So it's 25 Newton meters. I'm going to replace the oil filter and then put 6.5 quarts on that engine, and then I'm going to start it. Here's the brand new filter. I got a brand new glove, so no dust, no dirty. brand new. Alright guys, brand new filter with O-ring. I'm going to put it back. Alright, here we go. We have, here is the oil. We have 7 quarts, which only 6.5 goes inside. So let's refill the engine with brand new oil. Alright guys, that was mechanic mode, and this was 2021 BMW X7 engine oil change. See you next time.